that the good people that we are, we also don't put a lot of pressure on our parents. That the precious things that we are, the precious items that we are, we ensure that we put happiness in the hearts of the people that we stay with. And therefore, we give them ample time to also look for money to pay our fees, to pay for our fees, to look for money to give us whatever they can afford to provide for us. Okay? So let us be cooperative when we go at home. In consumption, these days, there are very many things that other people consume. I know our girls do not consume. How many of you have tasted opium? How many of you have heard of it? Yes, hearing we have heard. I've also heard. If I say I've not heard, I'll be telling a lie. So we have heard, haven't we? We have heard there is something called opium. We have heard there's something called drug. There's drugs. We have heard there's something called kuber. We have heard there's something also called other names that there are. Okay? As a good girl, taking care of your body, don't aspire even to know what those things are. Because our human mind also is curious. Somebody will come and tell you, just try, just taste. And one step will lead to another. And the other step will again lead to the other. And before you realize, you will be a cabbage. One thing that happens to somebody who takes drugs, I know you do not, but I just want to give